Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch, ready to take our baseline mobile layout and evolve it for the tablet tier, transitioning to 640 pixel operations now.
Mobile is working. Now for the tablet breakpoint. At 40M, the nav goes horizontal and we switch to 2 columns. It's time to talk about floats. Floats weren't designed for layout. They were designed so text could wrap around an image, like in a newspaper. But for 15 years, they were the only multi-column tool the web had.
Hacking a text wrapping feature into a grid system, that's like using a screwdriver as a chisel. It works, but it's a violation of established tool protocols. I want Flexbox.
Flexbox is later. You need to understand the legacy pain to appreciate the modern fix. Plus, the web is full of float-based code. You need to be able to read it without crashing.
Fine, educational suffering protocol engaged, starting the media query at 40M, the tablet threshold. 40M times 16 pixels equals 640. The iPad mini zone. Inside this block, the layout mutates for wider hardware.
Header first, overriding the mobile centering with a clean left alignment. We only want to write what changes.
Text align left, overwriting the baseline. It's like the Matrix patch. The old rule is shadowed by the new reality of the widescreen.
Now the nav. On mobile, it's vertical. For tablet, we float the items left to make a row. But beware, floating the children causes the parent container to collapse.
Container collapse. When children float, they exit the normal flow and the parent forgets they're there. Height drops to 0. Background vanishes. Total chaos.
We fix it with overflow hidden on nav UL. It forces the parent to acknowledge its floated children. Then we float the items.
Overflow hidden, the containment field is active. Items floated left, borders cleared. Nav is now a horizontal routing table. I'm not small, I'm just far away and wider.
Now the main columns. Content area at 65%. Aside pushed over with a margin of 65%. They sit side by side because of the border box reset.
Content at 65, aside margin at 65. The aside is shoved into its designated quadrant. The math confirms full container coverage. No gaps for bugs.
Check it in DevTools. Narrow the window, it stacks. Widen it, it splits. One style sheet, 2 realities. Inception for data.
It works, it's alive, it's alive. The transformation is consistent across all simulated endpoints. I am ready for desktop domination.
Go build this. Resize the browser, watch it break, write the query. Don't just watch it, do it.